Hey there, tech fans. Today I'd like to do a complete overview of the new ToVi Dante line decoder module. This product was designed to allow you to connect your existing Dante network to an analog output device like a mixing console, an amplifier, or a stereo system by instantly converting the Dante signal into a left and right analog signal as input to that device. The product fully adheres to the Dante standard, which means it's plug and play compatible with your existing Dante network. It also offers 24-bit high-resolution audio and a balanced and unbalanced output to make connecting to your equipment incredibly easy. It also offers gain adjustments for both channel 1 and channel 2, so you can perfectly match your equipment. And finally, it utilizes the latest in Power over Ethernet technology, which means when you plug this into a PoE capable switch, all the power required for the module's operation is sent over that LAN connection. And if you're using a standard network, you can actually add external power through the USB-C port on the side. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the product. And then I'll take a closer look at the module, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it. I'll list the features and functions that this product provides. I'll even do a quick walkthrough of the Dante controller software to show you how you can discover and configure this product in your network. And then I'll come back one more time and do a quick demonstration to show you just how easy this product will be to use with your own equipment and your own network. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find the module. You'll also find two sticky pads you can use to mount this module up off the ground and out of the way, and a Phoenix connector for making connection to your equipment incredibly easy. This plugs into the end of the module, and you can use a small screwdriver to attach your line connections. And finally, a full instruction manual is also included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other good information that you'll need to understand about the module in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the module, I'll list the features and functions, I'll do that quick walkthrough of the Dante controller software, and then I'll come back and do that demonstration. The Dante line decoder was engineered with a high-impact plastic case which makes it durable and incredibly lightweight. On the surface, you'll find two gain adjustments, one for channel 1 and one for channel 2, and you have 5 choices for each of those channels, starting with plus 18 dBu, plus 4 dBu, 0 dBu, 0 dBV, and minus 10 dBV, and you can adjust these to match the equipment you're connecting to the module. On the side of the unit, you'll find a USB-C port right there that's used for power. Now, this product uses power over cable technology, which means if you plug this into a PoE capable switch, the power required for the module is sent over that LAN connection. But if you're using a standard switch, you'll need to add power, and you can connect the cable here to a standard wall charger or an open USB port on the equipment you're connecting to. To the right of that is a small hole with a reset button behind it. Once you've applied power to the module, you can use a small paper clip and gently push that button to reset the module if needed. On the one end, you'll find a series of connections that you can use to connect this to your audio equipment, and there's a plug included with the kit that makes that connection easy. On the other end, you'll find a full-size LAN port, and this is where you'll connect it to your Dante network. And again, if you're using a PoE switch, all the power required for the module is sent over that LAN connection. The ToVi DXA-LINE-RX is compatible with a wide range of modern analog equipment, including mixing consoles, soundbars, musical amplifiers, stereo systems, and audio equipment. The product's features include either balanced or unbalanced output connections. It provides a high audio sampling rate. It offers configurable Dante latency and has dual power options, both power over Ethernet and an external USB-C connection, and is designed as a compact plug-and-play device. To get started, you'll need to download the free Dante controller software and then install that on any computer connected to the same network as your module. When you first open the program, you may not see any modules listed because you haven't connected the new module to the same network. Once you plug that into your switch, you'll actually see it appear in the network view as a horizontal line because it's a receiver module. If you'd like to change the configuration settings, you can simply double-click on that line, and that will open up the device view with all the configuration options available for that module. Starting on the left, you'll see a Receive tab, and that will show you if there are any signals on channel 1 or channel 2. The next tab to the right is the Status tab, and that lists a lot of important information about the module, including the IP address, the MAC address, the speed of the connection, and a lot of other really good information that's important to understand. The next tab over to the right is the latency tab, which will show you the current latency for your network. The next tab to the right is the device configuration tab, and here you can actually rename the module to something that's easy to remember. You can also change the sampling rate from 48K to 44.1K, 88.2K, or even 96K. You also have the option to change the encoding from PCM24 to PCM16 or PCM32. You can also introduce a unicast delay, and you can disable it or enable that delay. And then finally, down the bottom, you have a choice on latency of either 1 millisecond, 2 milliseconds, or 5 milliseconds. The next tab over to the right is the network configuration tab, and here you can decide if you'd like to assign a dedicated IP address to the module, or if your network permits it, you can allow DHCP to assign that IP address for you automatically. The final tab to the right is the RTP configuration tab, and here you can change the RTP mode from none to AES67. On this screen, you can also reboot the module or clear the configuration back to factory settings. To use this receiver module, you'll need to first establish a relationship with a transmitter module somewhere else on your network, and I've just plugged in a line transmitter module, and you can see that as the vertical stripe, and the receiver is the horizontal stripe. Now to create that relationship, you can click the plus sign, and from the transmitter side, I can send the left and right channel to either channel 1 or channel 2 on the receiver. And that's all you need to do to start sharing media content across your network between these two modules. Now I'll show you the connections you'll need to make to use the new ToVi Dante line decoder module with your existing Dante network. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up an older analog amplifier as my output device. This can accept a line level audio input from the decoder. And over here I've set up a small media player that's currently looping a video with audio in the background as my input device, and that's the audio that I'd like to share across the Dante network so I can play it through the speaker. Right here I've got a ToVi Dante HDMI encoder module, and I'll connect that up to the media player through an HDMI cable. Now the first set of connections I'll make are between the modules and my PoE switch, and I've already connected two Cat7 cables to the switch, and I'll plug those into the LAN ports on both modules. Now because the Dante system uses the latest in power over Ethernet technology, all the power required for the operation of the modules is sent over that LAN connection, so the minute I plug those cables in, both of these modules start an internal power on self-test to check the electronics. And now I can connect my media device to the encoder module. I've already plugged a high-speed HDMI cable into the player. The other end of that plugs directly into the HDMI input port on the encoder, and now I can connect the decoder up to the speaker. It comes with a Phoenix connector that you can hardwire to a cable that I've plugged into the back of the amplifier, and I'll simply connect that to the Phoenix port on the end, and there's your audio. So what you're hearing over here is audio from the media player that's being encoded through this HDMI encoder and sent across the Dante network, and then decoded at the remote site using this line level decoder and played through that analog amplifier. Now the nice thing about the Dante system is that I can set it up as a single point-to-point connection or a single-to-many connection, so I can distribute that same audio to multiple remote locations at the same time, and all of it is controlled through the Dante controller software. And it really is just that easy to get it working. I hope you found this overview of the ToVi Dante line decoder module helpful. This product makes it incredibly easy for you to connect an existing Dante network to an analog device like an amplifier, a soundbar, or even a mixing console by instantly converting the Dante signals into a left and right analog signal that you can use as input to those devices. The product fully supports the Dante standard and offers 24-bit high-resolution audio as well as a balanced and unbalanced output, which makes connecting to your equipment incredibly easy. It also provides adjustments for channel 1 and channel 2 so you can perfectly match the equipment you're connecting, and utilizes the latest in power over Ethernet technology, which means connecting this to a PoE switch eliminates the need for an external power supply and greatly simplifies your wiring. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.